Ka MLA juga East Shillong kabala sabe seng ha ka Meghalaya Parish Congress Committee ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo kala pentep ba hadian spotorik mentau nai no pra kan salek ban pyniasoh no shakiwei ki seng sang perthai la semtio Henry kala kantai pat ban ai ka jingkan tho la kan leit pyniasoh saka National People Party lani saka Bharatiya Janata Party habai kren bat ka kong Ampareen kala ong ba ka jingthu ban leit pyniasoh no yeladi shakiwei pat ki party kalong hadian ka election arjar hulai onyo yak sarkar ka ba khlain hapo ka jala Meghalaya.
I will definitely, as I said, I'm already winding up my consultation with every citizen in my constituency. I've left no one out of that consult. And I have a couple more individuals to meet, and I'm likely to complete this exercise by the 10th of December. And please expect me to go to some political party in the coming week after the 10th of December because it is time. It is time for me to now associate myself with one political party in the state of Meghalaya, because it's not just about Ampareen trying to win her election, working hard to win her election, but we must also see that others also win from that political party, which I intend to go to. I would like to help any party that I go to consolidate on support on a fair playing ground. Fair playing ground. We do not underestimate anyone, nor do we overestimate ourselves. But I would like to see that I go to a party with one intention in mind: give Meghalaya a strong government in 2023.